Look, there's a band. I killed a band. Oh my God, I'm mounting. Come on.
Alright, we got hole we're gonna hunt in the morning. We got some mallards on it. Good bit, not a lot, but a good bit on it. Probably gonna throw out 3 dozen, 4 dozen decoys, some geese, and some motion. And we've been out here getting ready all day, scouting everything, and now we done got back to the cabin. We're done made some wings. And that's about it.
I don't want to prove your video.
I don't give you couldn't have the video.
Hey, y'all do it.
So this is your duck tip 101.
Damn, look at the duck.
Man, look at it.
Alright, you gotta get off the maps to find the birds. You gotta get off the maps. Whether it's public or private, you just start walking and you'll find the ducks. You gotta get off the maps. We're currently not using maps to find the birds, but so we're gonna find some birds, of course, you know. But that's my tip of the day.
We're looking for a place where there's no trace of human life.
Yeah,
no
like,
shells.
Might as well be Christopher Columbus. Might as well be Christopher Columbus because we're about to go find the birds.
We're finna find some beavers.
Beavers?
Yeah.
Beavers?
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure
corn.
this ain't a sanctuary, but and if it is and there's ducks there, there ain't shit about it, I'm gonna run it.
There won't be shells. No shells, no trace of human life.
Exactly.
That's what we're looking for. On the back roads. Downtown Alabama.
Downtown Alabama. Private property.
Public property.
Plenty of squirrel, turkey, duck in
We seen a grizzly bear, didn't we?
there. Yeah.
Them beavers. You saw them beavers?
Oh, I ain't seen the beavers.
Oh. Well, guys, found it. No trace of human life. I mean, look around.
Man, ain't nobody been back here.
Nobody. No shotgun shells. Looks like there's some water down that way.
This is just beautiful, man.
Might be some beavers. Is that a beaver hut?
That might just be the beaver hut.
I think this place has been underwater a few times.
Yep. Well, we're gonna walk off into this hole that nobody's been there.
Guess this is what we do for some ducks.
Am I gonna smack that board right there? Man, this is gonna break. Oh! We got off the maps. Nobody was near. Like you can look at these roads and tell nobody's been back up in here. Ain't no washouts or nothing where nobody's been driving. And we walked 25 yards from the truck. Man.
My woolly mammoth hat. He got to the birds, man. Jumped them.
Jumped a few of them. He didn't jump all of them. We decided it'd be of our best intentions to just back out of there now because they were still cutting up and quacking. You know what a duck does. I mean, swimming around.
Flapping their wings.
Yeah, flapping their wings. They was doing that. So we're like, we're gonna get out of here.
They were doing it dirty.
Yeah.
Have all them crinkles in it.
Seen on TikTok last night.
Good for them. Okay. Not the geese.
No. I'll go back. I gotta lock my car if I need to.
It's cold. It's currently 5 in the morning. The wind's ripping. It's supposed to be sunshine for all day, so we came out here to this slough. It's almost like a flooded field. It don't go no deeper than your damn ankles. So they're throwing out decoys. We're gonna see if we can't work a few down. I don't know. We'll just have to play it by ear and see how it goes.
I made sure I started some fuel trigger.
Trying to fucking do shit.
Watch Collier. Man, I'm dead.
Come on. We just had a group of 4 gal walk on us. We was over here goofing off and they flew over. We got one out of the group, but we had some teal buzzing early this morning before shooting light. Had a group of about 30 mallards locked up, and then some guys over there about 100 yards from us flared them. I don't know, it's Mississippi. It really pisses me off. Because we were here first, and we told them, it was 2 guys, we were like, y'all come home with us, you know. We'll kill more ducks that way, but no. They want to be hard-headed and stubborn, so we popped a few teal, a few gadwalls, crippled 2 mallards, and I think we're getting some pretty good action working some ducks, and maybe we'll kill some more.
Got wind blowing 10 miles per hour.
Yeah, had a group of about probably close to 30 mallards cup up and workers for probably 5 or 10 minutes. Just disappeared. I have no idea where they went. They were cupped up below treetop. Then all of a sudden they were gone. I told Collier they were probably fishing to come in. I said, I mean, they looked like they were fishing to do it. And then all of a sudden I look up and they're gone. I have no idea where they went. That's how it goes. What is that called? Well, Jason has no greenhouse.
Cold, it's cold. It's very cold. And I went to. We had a group of 2 mallards working, and we didn't think the hole's big enough, and I kind of just picked up one off. So I went out to bust some ice, and as I was busting ice, a group of 2 flew over. Then the 3rd one joined, and they were about to do the same thing, and they got just high enough to shoot. I was like, y'all shoot them. I mean, I'm in the decoys, and they shot, and sure enough, he killed a man. He got a pair too. Man.
Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want. We're down here at the Delta now, so be expecting another video. Be sure it'll be pretty good, hopefully. Let's beat the beavers. Skibbity.